Yes, good morning to you. Repair of televisions, bit of a tricky one that. Here's what I would try. So in the SIC code, type in the word repair, and you've got a whole series of repair type industries. I would just pick the ones that look possible. Which I'm doing here, making sure they are actually selecting when I'm clicking on them. It would be fairly broad with the selections at this stage, and then move them across. And then when you display them in the list view, which will take a while because there's so many, because of all the different types of repair that can go on, what I would do is use a keyword. So let's just show you what I mean. Okay, so there's 18,000 odd. Choosing them all, importantly, and then type in the word television. And the ones that are left are involved in some sort of repair of televisions. So that's what I would do to find them. Hope that helps.